Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, I am so excited because I finally got my results back for my DNA. So for those of you who don't know, I am of Haitian descent. So even though I was born in the United States, my parents were both born in Haiti. So that's pretty much all I know about my background. But I've been a little bit more curious about my roots and I wanted to dive a bit deeper into my heritage. So MyHeritageDNA was so kind enough to send me my very own DNA kit. So for those of you who don't know, MyHeritageDNA.com is a simple site where you could do DNA testing. You could also look more into your family tree and so much more. But there's such great features on the site where you could just explore your roots. With the packaging, it comes with very easy instructions. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you just take the cotton swab that's supplied with the packaging and use it to collect DNA sample. And once you break that off, you just insert it into the vial and you mail it off, and that's it. And don't forget to use the confirmation code to activate your account in order to view your results. So if you're curious like me and you want to see the DNA results, then keep on watching. So besides Africa, of course, I actually have no idea what else it's going to say on my DNA results. And I don't know if this is true, correct me if I'm wrong, but they say that majority of Haitian ancestors were captured from West Africa. So I'm assuming that a large percentage of my results are going to be from West Africa. All right, so I'm just going to log into the site real quick to check out my DNA results. Ooh. I don't know why I'm nervous. I just got nervous all of a sudden. Oh wow, okay, so I am 48.6% Nigerian, 20.2% Sierra Leone, and 31.2% other. So let's view the full estimates. Okay, yeah, so just as I assumed, I'm 85.6% African, 74% West Africa, just as I assumed, 9.2% East Africa, Kenyan, and 2.4% Central Africa. Interesting. Okay, so we got some European in there. All right, so 8.2% Europe, 5.1% East Europe, and 3.1% North and West Europe. Huh. Okay, so for the European countries, I'm seeing Bulgaria, I'm seeing Romania. What else? The rest of these I cannot even pronounce, so I'm not going to even attempt. So to wrap it up, I am 6.2% Middle Eastern. And the highlighted regions include Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Lebanon, and more. Okay. That is very, very interesting. Wow. The West Africa part was expected because like I mentioned earlier, I know that most Haitian ancestors came from West Africa, so yeah, that was expected. But the part that really caught me off guard was the Middle Eastern percentage. I was not expecting to see that in my results at all. As far as my European side, I was kind of sort of expecting that, but particularly more in the France area, because I'm pretty sure you all know of Voltaire, the famous French philosopher. So yeah, I was kind of sort of expecting my European side to come from France or somewhere in that area. But I don't believe that any of these countries listed are French-speaking countries. So that was definitely a surprise as well. But yeah, it's just so cool to have my DNA results broken down like this. Alright guys, so this was a short and quick video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this like I did. And thank you so much to MyHeritageDNA for sponsoring this video. And I'm going to leave all the information down below if you want to purchase your very own DNA kit as well. So thanks again for watching. And please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a big thumbs up. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.